Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today we're gonna teach you how to do this sliding door, or you can see the glass door like this one, this pattern and the frame here, or this bevel. Okay, we start with build this first, then we're gonna build this one, the whole one. Okay, we build one first, then we put together. Okay, so follow me. This sliding door, right? Glass sliding door, usually we start with this one, wardrobe. Okay, so in here you may just go for basic board. Okay, when panel, find our favorite board called super board. Where's my super board? Yeah, drag out. Okay, so after you drag out, right? Okay, make sure you got two board lah, or let's say this one is 600. Control V or copy one. This one I will use as flip. This one I will use as the bevel glass. Okay, as you can see here, this one should be not this one here. Okay, as you can see here, this one is a glass. So we start with the glass first, to do the glass like this. Got bevel one. Okay, first we change the size. Okay, the frame we will make it 50, so we minus 30 lah. 570. Okay, 570 because it's equal side lah, equal side. Okay, you can see here. This one 50, this one 50. Okay, this one later I will give it as frame. Okay, so simple. After you change the size, right, you just click B, board selection, select it, right click, you will see panel point editing. Okay, so this one can help you modify the panel, right? Like I told you, you can click on this section. Okay, maybe you just type D51. Okay, search. We choose this one. Okay, then save, return. So this one success already lah. You can see when I rotate, X rotate it. Okay, 180, 180. Okay, see the bevel, got power. If you want to become glass, you just change the material, clear glass. Okay, now we do the flip, guys. Okay, same thing, right click, B selection first, B board selection, right click, then panel point editing. This time we make it as frame, so we choose this one, or enterprise Jahat, then we choose this one. Okay, it's for frame. But you see here, okay, although it got the pattern at the bottom here, you can see at the bottom we have pattern. Okay, but they don't have hole, so we want to make it as got hole. Then we need to click hollow, only left frame. Okay, save, return. Okay, after that we merge it together. So simple, we just this one make it 0. Okay, this one make it 0. Okay, and this one here make it 50. Okay, no, this one make it 50. Is it? Come back. Okay, this one here make it 50. Okay, never mind. We still have method can use. Use jack or point capture. This point touch with this point. Okay, exit. After point capture, we just move it a bit lah, or a bit only. Select it. Okay, maybe left. Left right is here lah, so I'll put 50. Then up down, no, front back. Okay, 50. Okay, minus 50. You see it's the wrong direction, minus 50. You see, complete. 50, 50, 50. Okay. So after complete already, we group it lah. In case it's run again, select, Control select 2 or 1, 2, then Control G, make it as group. Done. Okay. So this one will be the here, or be here, part of it, here. Now we're gonna make the frame. Okay, we're gonna make the frame. Okay, let's start with this one. I'll start with here. You spec the superboard, then we change the size. This one you need to calculate yourself. Okay, so the door for me, I will roughly go for this one, 1920 wide and 1280 roughly. Okay, then I will just click B, board selection, right click to open the hole. Remember we teach you before, use panel point to open the hole. Okay, so the rectangle hole usually same size. I will use back here. How many? 600. Okay, simply lah. Then I click on it, then I change the size. Okay, 600 times 600. Okay, after that here you can adjust. Okay, the position you can see X, Y, Z, you see 100, 100, 100, 100. Okay, so I will change it to 30. Okay, each of them 30. Change it 30 and 30. Okay, see the first one. Okay, then I duplicate it to another tool here. Click on it, right click on it, select it. Okay, where is my this one, array. Okay, so this array button help you to duplicate it easily. So horizontal in here I want 3, the gap interval I want 30 gap, same. Then I click apply. You see it, 1, 2, 3. Okay, follow the step, do again. We go for bottom here, array vertical, array vertical 1, 2. Okay, the gap interval I want 20. Okay, apply. See, then do back the same thing, array 3, horizontal and interval 30, apply. Okay, simple as that. So you just click save. After that you open the hole. Then you select it. Simply move it guys, like I told you Okay, usually for me I will do something like this, move it, you can see here. Okay, then use B, use Z. Okay, Z, point capture, select the point at the bottom here, select the point here. Okay, then remember, Ctrl Z. Okay, remember you must select both to select the whole item you must hold shift button, select it, then you press Z button or press point capture. Okay, after that you select the point, let's say this one, meet the bottom here, this one. Okay, it's not working because they cannot move together. Never mind, things are like that. Okay, this one I'll move it at the end, to the end of the corner, 0, 0. Okay, this one I'll just move it 50. Select shift first, shift select the whole item, then 50, then 50 no, 30, sorry, 30, the gap is 30. Okay, sometimes we have mistake. Okay, 50. So you have 1, then we come up for 2 Control V, copy 1. Okay, shift select, Control V, copy 1. Okay, this one we add the gap or simple. Okay, this one I add 60 here 30 the gap here, 30, 60. Okay, another one, Control V, shift select, Control V. Okay, same thing, add 30 here, add 30. Okay, so same thing, do the same thing, repeat only. Maybe I'll just better here, guys, better here. Shift select, Control V. Okay, so this one we will give it some gap or this one. Okay, we can calculate 30, 600, 30. So I add 600, add 30. Okay, then here I minus. Okay, only left 30 the gap 30. Okay,搞掂. another one, Control V. Okay, add 30. Just add 30 only. And another one, Control V. Okay, same thing, add 30. Okay, complete. Okay, forget. Because this gap is 20, not 30. So, sorry, minus 10. Minus 10. Yeah, minus 10. Sorry, minus 10. Okay. Or else the thing are not perfect. Okay, minus 10. Select it, minus 10. Okay, if you didn't calculate wrong, then will be done easily. If you calculate wrong, never mind, you make correction. Okay, so after that, we often want to group it. Okay, so you may just Control Select, Control G. You say cannot. Okay, never mind, guys, because here is a small group. So what you can do, Shift Select, Control B, ungroup it first, or each of them ungroup it first. Shift Select, ungroup it first, or all of them ungroup it first. Okay, Shift Select, Control B, ungroup it first, or Shift Select, Control B, ungroup it first. Shift Select, Control B, ungroup it first. Shift Select, Control B, ungroup it first. After you ungroup everything, right, highlight again, Control G, or things are like that, or so you can favor, then you can use again. So this one I will put my sliding door as an idea sliding door. Confirm. Okay. Okay, so now you can adjust it. Okay, you can press X or Shift Select X, rotate it to 100, rotate to 90 degrees, then press Z to move it up or move it up. Okay. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.